We have a gentleman here pointing a crossbow, but the crossbow is symbolic of not a crossbow, a real one. What he's doing, if you look, he has a crossbow, but he also has an arrow, and he's pointing his arrow. This is the arrow right here. And you can see it'll land on this. It'll land on this star right there. And if you go farther, it'll land on this one, and so on. And right here it lands on this one, but it doesn't land on that one. And as we keep on going around, also you can see the stars up here. Now when the day is longer, at whatever time of day they used this, they could see when these four were able to get to where they're going. Now I know it all sounds very fantastic, but I'll show you what a pattern research says. Now we all know this was made in the 1400s. That's when it was, the inks made and all this, even though 2 or 3 of the inks are unknown. We also know that Stonehenge was made a lot longer ago, 5,000 years ago. Now the people that made Stonehenge had to be able to do a circle. They had to also be able to know diameters and circumferences. But what we overlook with our 21st century minds is what type of measurement did they use? Now here we have a scale which has, it has English inches, but it doesn't have the metric. So you'd say, well, oh, they must have made it in metric. No, they can't make it metric. 5,000 years ago they didn't have metric. And the Stonehenge shows that it's like 20.5 meters or so many feet, but it's never actual meters or actual feet. They used a different type of measurement to do this. Now what I'm going to show you is that this is a smaller version of Stonehenge, and Stonehenge diameter goes across is the same type of measurement as the crop circles that are done, the big ones that are done in the Salisbury Plains north of England. So if there's a pattern showing that the measurement they use, which is not in feet or meters, is used for these pages because somebody had to measure them, and the same for Stonehenge and the same for the crop circles, and the pattern shows they're all connected. That's where I've gotten so far. This is a fascinating mystery, and I will keep going until I solve every bit of it. That's the way it works. The sun and a spire would tell whoever on Earth exactly where they were in space on a galactic scale, and it's just amazing. Okay, rock on.